James Lange Theory of Emotion. The James Lange theory of emotion is one of the earliest and most influential theories in psychology. Developed independently by psychologist William James and physiologist Carl Lange in the late 19th century, this theory offers a unique perspective on how emotions are experienced. The central idea is that emotions are a result of our body's physical reactions to stimuli or events, rather than the other way around. In simple terms, the theory suggests that we don't cry because we feel sad or tremble because we feel afraid. Instead, we feel sad because we are crying, or we feel fear because we are trembling. Let's break it down step by step to make it easier to understand. The theory begins with the idea that when something happens to us, let's say, you encounter a dangerous situation like seeing a snake, your body reacts first. This reaction might involve your heart rate increasing, your muscles tensing up, and your breathing becoming rapid. According to the James Lange theory, it's only after your body has these physical reactions that you begin to consciously feel the emotion of fear. In other words, your body's response to the situation comes first, and your emotion is your mind's way of interpreting that physical response. This was a revolutionary idea at the time because people typically thought that emotions came first, and then the body responded. For instance, it was commonly believed that if you saw a bear in the woods, you would first feel fear, and as a result, your heart would race, and you would start running. The James Lange theory flips this around. It argues that your heart starts racing, and because your body is reacting in a certain way, your mind interprets those physical changes as the emotion of fear. So, you don't feel fear and then run, you run and then feel fear. An easy way to understand this is to imagine that emotions are like reading signals from your own body. According to James and Lange, your body is doing something, like shaking, sweating, or crying, and your brain tries to make sense of those physical reactions by labeling them as emotions. Here's an everyday example. Imagine you're giving a speech in front of a crowd. As you stand on the stage, your heart starts beating faster, your palms get sweaty, and your stomach might feel a little tight. According to the James Lange theory, you would interpret